what we're about. I see you at my door.
I'm dead. You guys slept for? I mean, 6 hours is a good sleep. So
6 hours not bad. You got kids too, so.
That's what I used to only sleep for 6 hours or 5 hours every night for like 3. So
Right. Oh yeah, okay.
Stepping on the brake.
Awesome.
The beautiful thing is that's it. Like there's nothing else to explain. It's all just simple.
Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found.
In typical FlyRyde fashion, I finish a car. It's 2 a.m. Guy's gonna be here in 6.5 hours to pick it up. I haven't got any sleep yet. Just stoked on it, so I'll walk around the car and show you. All right, so first off, you can see our big, crazy, bright diode dynamics strip here. It is flashing in turn signal mode and going back to running light mode. And then you see the diode dynamics tailless turn module. So we're running 2 of their products on the same corner. And then you can see on this side, this is the running light mode of the brake lights as well as that side marker. So super dope. We got the FlyRyde LED bulbs in the license plate. We've also got FlyRyde LEDs everywhere else. So when these doors open, the whole ground lights up. I mean, I just get excited every time I see that. As well as basically daylight inside the car. When those LEDs turn on the inside of the car just looks pretty badass. Now we've got our profile pivot strips in here and the new FlyRyde lightning bolt. This is set up as a switchback. So it does white LED that changes. We are running the factory turn signal bulb. So it's blinking kind of at a different pace than the other thing. It's hard to see, but it's fading on and off while the LED to the right of it is instant on, instant off. Pretty cool effect. And here we are, we've got the super crazy bright LED. I mean, just look at that thing. That lightning bolt is insane. So I'm gonna turn off the turn signals really quick, and then we'll check out everything looking nice and white. So check that out. White, switchback, boom. There we go. This is our 2017 fully decked out GTR with the switchback side markers that you can build because I made a video, and these switchback beautiful, evenly lit lightning bolts all the way down to that inside corner. Those are also available in sequential. Man, I'm just pumped on everything. Beautiful car. It'll look great during the day as well. Looks amazing at nighttime with everything else. And last but not least, I will show you the reverse lights right now. So we are rocking the stage 1 taillights. All that means is everything internally is black. Same thing with the side markers. Everything behind that lens, it's actually a clear lens, is completely blacked out. And then we've got our nice double bright reverse bulbs. Just beautiful car. Everything's full LED now. Nothing in this car is not LED, even the trunk. Let's check out the trunk. Ooh, all of it, all the things LED. So if you really want to make a spectacle of it, this thing looks like a jet. Just open up everything. You got a full light show. I love it. This is why I stay up till 2, 3 a.m. trying to shoot cars and stuff like that, because it's the only chance I get to really see things at night. I don't typically ever have cars here overnight. I don't want to work on your car. I don't want to have it here. I don't even want to work on your headlights, but I want you to do it because this is what it can end up looking like. It makes me super, super happy when people follow the videos, do this stuff for themselves, and I get these pictures from customers that look as beautiful as this. So I'm just so happy that I have awesome partners and manufacturers that we work with. And man, it makes the job super easy. I will say this, I could sell like crazy, but only because I really, really do believe in the products. I better get to sleep so we can have this thing all ready, sitting nice. I'm out of breath. But we need this thing completely buttoned up, looking good, ready for Kenny. Kenny's our good buddy that's local, and he just went to town on it. I think I'm a satisfied builder, owner, all the things. Looking good. In lots of ways, I wish I could stay up more often and come here late at the shop. The reality is I just don't have time when I work all the time. I'm actually for the first time only working like 50 hours a week. I've been doing it for so long. I don't know, I love what I do, so I wish I could do it more often. If it didn't take away from my family, I would do it, but it does. So not something I get to stay and do this type of stuff too often. When I do, it's super exciting because this is what I need so that I can keep going. Like, I have to have the fruit of the labor, you know what I mean? Like, I need to be able to see what it all turns into. And a lot of times when you're just building lights and just shipping them off, you don't get to see that. If you're not going to events, you don't get excited about everything automotive. And that's usually where I'm at. I'm not super excited about all things automotive, which is weird because it's my whole life, you know? And I think because of that, it can get a little bit monotonous, you know? Always cars, everything I want to talk about, everything I tell my wife about. It's very much, babe, guess what I did? I did this and that with the business. And it's kind of all consuming. So, I don't know. I feel good about it. I'm just inspired. I'm lit up. And I hope anybody watching feels the same way. So, I need to go back home. I need to go to sleep. I'm gonna get about 6 hours of sleep. Then I get to come back here and deliver the keys, deliver the car to Kenny. And I really, really do hope you learned something. This series has been awesome. That GTR has everything that I want to leave you with. I want you to be able to go do all of those different things I did. Custom taillights, custom headlights, front markers, custom rear markers, the LED bulbs, all the things. If you have GTR customers, you're a GTR guy, if you got a shop, you want to get into GTRs, sell that stuff. People love it. I love it, and I've been looking at it nonstop for the last few years. I feel like it's a job well done, and I am ready for sleep. So I will catch you on the next one. What won't be about GTRs. So what series should we do next? I want to do like a full deep dive, all things on the car. Again, 2019's around the corner. We're gonna have to set it up. So in the comments, tell me what car we should specialize in a whole series just like this GTR one, 5-6 parts, same deal. We'll make it happen. All right, guys. Adios, and so long, 2018. It's been real.